Hello, awesome person, and welcome to a video about workflow. Workflow is designed to replace a whiteboard or many whiteboards that could be on multiple occasions and that you want to display the same information for a service-based company. If you have a project in mind, or if this project gives you an idea about replacing your whiteboards with a digital upgrade using TVs, please let me know by leaving a comment on this video or go to Brad Chisholm, that is BradChisholm.com, and using the phone number in the top right of the webpage to call me or text me. Let's continue. Here we see the preliminaries for the main page, which will update shortly. First, we're going to go and select the Technicians tab. As you see, there are no current technicians. However, we're going to go ahead and select the plus button. And as you see, a simple in-screen pop-up shows up, and we can give a technician to the platform. Let's consider this one YouTube. We're going to select red due to YouTube having a red logo, and we're going to select add technician. As you see here, it gets revealed. It shows you the color and the hexadecimal code for the technician. Next, we're going to select plus again, and for this case we will use my name, Brad. Here we'll give this a gold color. We're going to select the add technician button. As you see, we see Brad and YouTube here under technicians. Let's continue. We're going to have the customers tab. We're going to go ahead and press plus. We are going to add in and out. In and out on Edinger Avenue is 7902 Edinger Avenue. In Huntington Beach, California, 92647. We're also going to add the HB police station, and they are located at 2000 Main Street in Huntington Beach, California, 92647. As you see here, your customers are displayed. The reason why I set this platform and this section up of the platform is to make inputting data easier, so you do not have to repeat typing the same information if you do not wish to. We will go ahead and select the main page or the preliminaries page. We're going to go ahead and press plus. You see here, you have the list of categories: standby, repair, customer item, load test, or inspections. We're going to go ahead and select standby, just as this demonstration. For the address, I do have it searching up by the number and as well as city. So let's say you know your address is in Huntington Beach. Anything that isn't related to Huntington Beach will populate. We're going to go ahead and select the In-N-Out Burger. Contract. We do not have a contract with them, not yet. But if In-N-Out, if you are viewing this, I'll be happy to update or to help develop software for you on a more complex scale. We have a compliance date. Let's select a compliance date of today. The final date, well, there is no final date at this moment, so we're going to leave this one empty. It is not required. Neither of these two date fields are required to input a preliminary. However, we can change that. I can force that. And if you have a project in mind, like I said originally, please feel free to give me a call. If you have a update that you would like to add to this feature and utilize this platform, please leave a comment on this video or go to my website at bradchisholm.com. Status: pending. Notes: let's select this as a simple note. Technician: As you see here, the colors reveal themselves as a technician. We're going to go to and select YouTube, and we're going to select add. As you see here, the address was inputted, and you can see the technician of YouTube. Status is pending. There is no final date, but the compliance date is today. Jobs. Under jobs, we have mods, repairs, and drilling. We're going to go ahead and add a repairs section. Again, this address section utilizes the same feature as the preliminaries. This time, we're going to select the police station. Contract, no. For service contract, or for repairs, we're going to go ahead and select notes. Possible upgrade to motorcycle communications system. Ooh. Estimate, because this would be a government contract, and we know how government contracts work, or some of us do. We're going to go ahead and select this as a $4 million estimate. We're going to select waiting, and when we click add, you see here, as under repairs, you have your customer, your location. The customer could be the name. For this company, they simply like their addresses displayed, but originally I simply put the name and the city. So this would have read Huntington Beach Police dash Huntington Beach. We're going to go ahead and select the Parts tab and press plus. Job, again, this is set up like the preliminaries and jobs. In case you need to order a part, this can be simplified, and if you have multiple technicians in the field like this company does, the technicians can go to this platform and put in the parts to their specific job site to be ordered. So if you have somebody who does order, or if the technicians need to order it later when they are at a computer and away from the job site, they can do that, and this can be saved. The job name, this would be your address. For this one, we are going to select Huntington Beach Police Department. Vendor, let's select Qualcomm. Parts, audio system for motorcycles. Again, this is just a demonstration. This is not official information. I wouldn't put that information on YouTube, especially if I'm working with certain contracts or clients, because I don't want to display all of their information. So just as a reminder, this is for demonstration purposes. For the quantity, I am not sure how many bikes that they have that are functioning that need to be replaced, so we're going to give an estimate of 20 motorcycles. Order, it's not ordered yet. Requested by, let's select myself. Billable, this is pending because it may be part of a service contract. covered under service. That would be pending because, again, like I stated a moment ago, it could be under service contract. Notes, order when approved. Select the add button. As you see here, my name is displayed with its color that we set up under technicians. Now, when or if the parts get ordered, you can select here. So under the technicians, you can also have the individual who orders, which could be displayed. Let's suggest ordered by YouTube. Let's suggest it was ordered. Again, this is for demonstration purposes. I'm going to go ahead and select update. And we are going to, because that wasn't updated, because we did not set a change to be ordered, it didn't update. I just wanted to show you that. Now, let's say it was ordered. Go ahead and select. Now, see, ordered by YouTube. And the information moved over to the right as parts that were processed. You can also select shipped, and it will update for you, let you know, or let whomever is checking this platform that the items were shipped, if they were shipped. And then finally, once they were received, the information gets removed from parts that were ordered or processed. Again, this screen is designed for a television or a simple view. You could look at it on your mobile device. But now you can go down here to the inventory tab and you can see the items. And because they were received, we can also update this section if you are desiring a specific inventory setup, if you have a function for inventory, or if you need to help better your inventory management. I can add certain features in here to let you know, something might be in bin or in the warehouse or in storage area. We can define that section a little more to help, or we can even set it up where parts may have been delivered at the job site, and you can either put that under notes, or we can set up another category and have that information in display. We're going to go ahead and go to the notes section, and this one you can add the categories and you can add a note, but first you'll need a category. So we're going to select a category, and we will call this category demo. Go and select add. We're also going to add another category, maybe called car repairs. And for demo, we will select this as a demo note. We'll select add, and as you see here under category, you see demo, and then you see this is a demo note. We can add another note for car repairs, possible oil change on vehicle number 2. We're going to select add, and that way you have your notes here under the category. And I want to thank you for joining me today. I think that is everything that this platform can offer at this moment, but again, we can update features, add features, customize features. If you have a specific idea and you need somebody to help implement that, I can develop on a very simple, quick way, or we can develop on a much more complex level. Thank you for joining me. Do have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, comment, and have a wonderful day.